Hey, what's up you guys? It's Kaycee. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. So in my last video I mentioned how I had sent one of my friends and subscribers a box of clothing that I didn't think I would use for myself. And so she actually sent me back a box of goodies. So I am going to open it and see what's in here. Oh, I don't know your full YouTube handle. It's T-Dog and some numbers. But hopefully it doesn't offend you, or like, I don't know. Hopefully it's okay with you that I'm going to say your name. So I'm just gonna say thank you to Tracy. I think it's really cool how, YouTube kind of like was how we met. I'm gonna say we met because like we talk on Instagram. Sorry, let me just, okay. I just think it's really cool that YouTube can bring people together like that. So here we go. I just cut it open. Hopefully this is okay with you. I'm gonna ask you before I post this. So but she has packed it nicely with some like gift paper. It's got sparkles on it. Okay, let's see what we have here. I'm just gonna put it down, but I'm just gonna show you everything. Okay, so, ooh, Timmy's. So she sent me a few tea packets from Tim Hortons. I think Tim Hortons is like everywhere now, so yeah, peppermint tea is literally my favorite tea, so thank you very much. But I will drink all of these. I do love tea, so thank you for that. Ooh, Scentsy. You guys, does everybody else have Scentsy? Like, oh, that smells so good. Black raspberry vanilla. I actually have two. I have a little mason jar and a little owl. It's not, I don't think they're both actually Scentsy. I think one of them's Scentsy and one's from Walmart because they sell these as well. But thank you very much. I love this and it smells wonderful. Okay. What else do we have here? Oh my god, I'm literally about to cry right now. That is insane. Okay, so none of you know this, but like I am obsessed. I'm literally like, okay, hang on. I'm obsessed with like antique keys for some reason. You'll see once I like show you some stuff. But I have like this giant white one. It's like made of wood that I have hanging in the house. She put a little key on here. That is amazing. And it's a bag of popcorn. That is so cool though. I absolutely love that. I'm literally obsessed with like antique keys like that. That's crazy. Oh, is this, oh my god. Oh my god, Tracy. You guys, I just said that I have one of these and she literally sent me one. Okay, so you'll see too that I'm obsessed with mason jars. Like my whole kitchen is mason jars. So now I have a second one. I'm so excited. I love this so much. Oh, this one I can put in my bedroom here. That is amazing. Oh, this is my bedroom, by the way. Hope you guys like it. I'm going to film in here every once in a while. Literally, you guys, Tracy, you're amazing. Honestly, you like hit the nail on the head. She's like, oh, let me send you something back. She asked me like a few of my favorite things and I didn't know like what to put in there. And legitimately, you spot on got me. Like, so this is Scentsy as well, and this is amazing, so thank you very much. And then she told me about this shirt. She found this shirt and she thought of me, which you'll see why in a second here. It says bite me and it's got the lips with the little vampire teeth. That is so amazing. It's so pretty. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use these things. There's so much stuff in here, girl. Like you outdid yourself. Oh, what is this? It's like it's an Airwick Freshmatic, like one of those auto spray things. I have never owned one of these. That is so cool. I've literally never owned one of these. It says Mom's Baking. Baked pear, pie crust, and vanilla. Is that like, hang on. Now I have to look at this. I've never had one of these. They had one at a place that I worked one time and it used to scare the living daylights out of me. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's gonna smell so good. That is so cool. You really outdid yourself, Tracy. Like, this is amazing. Sorry, I don't know where my phone is. Ooh, whiskey. That is awesome. I'm gonna put these in my bar and then I will drink these one day. But two little guys of whiskey. I like to do shots. What is this? Are these? Oh, that is so cool. I was looking for like these aren't exactly coasters. It says it's for warm. Place warm tea or coffee mug on the mat. Oh, it says to release aromatic spice scents. That's gonna be so nice. So it's kind of like a coaster, but a fancy coaster. That is so cool. I've never seen these before. These have to be like a small town type deal. I don't know. I've never seen these before. These are really cool. My nose is running because I'm like happy. What is this? Ooh, a mask. What's the brand? I don't know what the brand is. Strivectin? A face mask? I need to start doing more face masks. I feel with wearing like actual masks that I'm gross in this area. Like, okay. Favorite brand from Shoppers Drug Mart, Quo. I think that's how you pronounce it. And also this is a black sparkly nail file. And I need a new nail file because for some reason all of my nails just decided that they were going to become brittle and break off and like look nasty. So I really needed this because all my other ones, they're all worn out along the edges. So thank you very much. She's got literally so much more stuff in here, you guys. Okay. You know what, Tracy? We are like best friends. She showed me this girl on Instagram who makes things out of old records, like vinyl albums. And I'm thinking that this is where she got this from. It says Retroactive on it. Retroactive by Sarah. This is a like coffin shaped piece of record that says my spirit animal has rabies. That is so cute. Can you see like the lines? I don't know if, yeah, right there, you can see them. There. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen. That is awesome. Thank you. Again, Quo. Yay. Makeup remover wipes. You can never have enough of those. And once I start actually doing my makeup again, these will come in so much handy. I've been trying to upload a video, the one that's going up before this, for like an hour and it's taking forever. This is insane. Oh, these are cute. Some earrings from Shein. These are like, these remind me of like Alberta for some reason. Just like the pattern that's on here. These are so cute. I have a dress that's kind of like this. Slightly different colors, but it's gonna match perfectly. That is so adorable. My friend Erin is gonna be so jealous. She's gonna love these. Deep cleansing charcoal mask from Clearproof. Oh, again, my skin is just so gross lately. And plus it started like, it snowed for one day and now it doesn't snow anymore, but it's still like really cold. This is going to be awesome. Oh, Mary Kay. I've never owned anything by Mary Kay. I knew that they existed, but like, whoa. I've never owned anything by Mary Kay. That is so cool. Huh, my first Mary Kay product. Thank you very much. And we have some Jolly Rancher gummies. I've never seen these before. Tropical Unisharks. some snacks for when I'm watching Netflix. Well, I don't have Netflix, but for when I'm watching TV or filming. And then she's got 2 little drink mix packs here. One is pineapple crush and A&W root beer. Oh, so you just add water to these. That is so cool. That'll be interesting to try. I've never tried these before. You're giving me like all new things that I've never experienced before, so that's like really awesome. And then the last thing, which is like the 50th item, is this Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. I think I own an e.l.f. product, but I'm not sure. I know I've looked at it before. I'm just gonna open this with that knife. I know I've looked at e.l.f. products before, but I don't know if I've ever actually purchased one. I'll have to check once I can find my makeup. Oh, I was like, this is such cool wrapping. It's like the cardboard. Oh no, I can't open it because I don't have nails. There we go. Ooh, so these are like really nice nudes. So pretty. So yeah, that was honestly amazing. Like you said that I sent, sorry, cat hair. I sent her like all the clothes that I had put up on Poshmark, right? So like she's like, no, I don't know. I've never really worn stuff like that before. Like it's not really my style. And then once she received them, she's like, oh my God, that was so much fun. I've never purchased stuff like that before. Like it was so cool to try new things. And she's like excited to like wear them out and stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I think we've like kind of bonded over it. I feel really good about it. Honestly, like Tracy, this was amazing. I appreciate everything so much. You have no idea. Like there's so many things here that I've never tried before or never even knew existed that now I get to experience in my life. So that is amazing. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, big shout out to Tracy. You are amazing. She's Canadian as well. Well, she's from Canada, so I think she's Canadian. Maybe you moved here. I don't know. We haven't discussed that. But you are amazing. And yeah, I look forward to meeting more people in the future and becoming close to more people like this. I think this is such a cool idea to be able to just like send people stuff from like wherever, like across Canada, across the world, whatever. But yeah, sorry. I like choked there. This was the coolest experience I've ever had so far. So thank you to Tracy and to YouTube for bringing us together. So I will see you guys in the next one, which is actually going to be another unboxing, which I'm filming right now. So I'll be looking exactly like this. But yeah, see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.